What's up everybody, Kevin Barnett here and welcome to the Carbide Kitchen. Carbide recipes are prepared projects for you to build and enjoy. Today we introduce the Edge Light Kit, an acrylic LED sign making kit. This is an accessible, fun, personalized skill builder that's great for yourself, your class, or maybe to get someone you know out into the shop. Learn to trace images in Carbide Create, use the engrave or contour toolpaths to drag your lines with our MC Etcher drag engraving bits, or use a V-bit, maybe a PCB mill to create your own personalized sign. The foot measurements are 70 millimeters wide by 20 tall to be sure your sign fits into the LED base. Past that, the design and outline are up to you. Okay, what's in the recipe? Two 8x8 inch pieces of 1/4 inch acrylic. This allows you to make two signs or to have a test piece. One USB color change LED base with remote control. The fun factor and accessibility of this kit are high. If you are looking for a class project or a nightlight or something fun for your own desk, maybe a project with your kid, it's in the store now. Time to get cooking in the shop.